All right. So this is how to reset your WordPress website. So for example, meron akong website dito. This is actually a demo website. Ayan. And I want to reset it. So login ako /WP admin. And then we're actually just gonna use WP reset na plugin. Okay. Ayan. So we are in now, and as you can see here, may mga plugins na tayo. We have installed some plugins na, but I want to reset it from scratch. You can see here, no? So ito yung in-install natin, WP Reset plugin. So of course, how to add that dito sa add plugin, type ka lang ng WP Reset, and you will see that plugin, ayan, with 300,000 installations. Active siya. So I have installed it already. This is the plugin. So to access that plugin, nandito yan sa tools. And then go here, WP Reset. And then, this is the reset dashboard. Punta ka lang sa pinaka bottom part, no? Itong site reset. So what you just need to do is type lang dito reset and then reset the plugin and then reset WordPress. Basically, it will delete or deactivate yung mga plugins and then delete the posts, the pages that you have. So this is now a parang fresh na installation ng WordPress website. So if you go here, let's go and visit the website. Right now, you can see we are back to square one. All right, so that's how easy it is to reset yung mga WordPress websites. But make sure if you do this, back up everything, okay, because it will actually clean out your website. Ayan, so that's how easy to reset your WordPress website.